Welcome to Serin Vale. Today we're looking at some fascinating new research, a surprising link between vitamin D and depression.
So, here's the big question. Could a simple vitamin deficiency really be affecting your mood?
Well, a huge new review suggests there's a pretty strong link between low vitamin D levels and depression.
And this is a big deal, because that's how many adults worldwide are affected by depression.
In fact, by 2030, it's expected to be the world's #1 cause of disease burden.
So what's the biology here? Turns out, vitamin D receptors are in the exact parts of your brain that regulate mood.
It's key for calming inflammation, fighting stress, and just keeping brain signals firing right.
To figure this out, researchers looked at a ton of studies, 66 of them from 31 different countries.
And what they found was a really consistent pattern. The lower the vitamin D, the higher the depression scores.
The connection got really clear once levels dropped to this specific point or even lower.
And here's something interesting. Some data suggests this link might be even stronger for women.
But it's not quite that simple. The evidence gets a little more complicated when you dig in.
For example, some big long-term studies didn't actually find a link to new cases of depression.
Which brings us to that classic chicken or the egg question. Does low vitamin D cause depression, or is it a symptom?
Think about it. Being depressed might mean you stay inside more, so you get less sun and less vitamin D.
So what's the takeaway? Well, one researcher put it this way: be cautious, but practical. Basically, talk to your doctor. If your levels are low, it's a good idea to fix that for your overall health.
So, the question is, should you get your levels checked? Ultimately, that's up to you and your doctor. In the meantime, scientists are pushing for better, bigger studies to get a final answer on this. Thank you for joining this explainer. Be well and see you soon.